Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will tell you how you can get more and more orders on your new e-commerce website. So if you have just created a website and you're not getting orders and you're not ranking on Google, that's perfectly fine. After watching this video, you can get more and more orders on your e-commerce website for free. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So if I open my dashboard from here, like you can see that this is the dashboard of my e-commerce website. So now if I go down and in the WooCommerce section, like you can see that I have 78 pending orders and these orders are from the last 2 days. So how am I getting these orders? So I will tell you the secret and the proven strategy to get more and more orders on your e-commerce website. So let's get started. So the basic strategy to get more and more orders on your e-commerce website is to use an affiliate program on your website. So if I open my website, okay, like you can see that this is my e-commerce website, and if I show you that, like you can see that I am using an affiliate dashboard, I am using affiliate program on my website. So if I open this affiliate dashboard, okay, from here, as you can see that affiliate dashboard, people can register as an affiliate on my website, and after their approval, what people will do is they will promote my products, and whenever someone buys my product through some affiliate links, the what I will do is I will share the 20% revenue of the order with my affiliate. So this is the basic concept of using affiliate on your website. This is the best and the proven method to get more and more orders on your e-commerce website. If you use this affiliate program on your website, I'm sure that you can get more orders, you can increase your orders on your website. So now if I go to dashboard and if I go to Yith and affiliates, so I am using Yith affiliates plugin. This is a plugin to host affiliate on your website. So as you can see that WooCommerce affiliates by Yith, so it will allow you to host affiliate program on your website, and this is the best affiliate marketing plugin. So what I will do is now if I go down here, like you can see that I have more than 2500 affiliate marketers on my website, and these all are pending as my website manager is working to promote to accept these affiliate marketer, although he's a bit slow at work, so that's why as you can see that 2100 affiliates are in pending and 500 are accepted. So if I go to accepted one from here, like you can see that 507 accepted and people are working on my website as an affiliate marketer. This one is earning 180,000 from my website by promoting my products and by getting orders on my website, and he's earning some commission. So that's how you can get a good commission. You can get many orders on your website by setting up an affiliate program on your website. So this is very important and very good concept to host an affiliate marketing program on your website. If you have an e-commerce website and you want to get more and more orders, then you can start affiliate marketing program on your website. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.